Mounting the keypad may be done after programming. For demonstration purposes, we will show mounting the keypad first. Remove the cover, tabs, and batteries to reveal the bottom mount screw. Next, install the top mounting screw which the keypad will slide onto. Finally, install the bottom mounting screw before replacing the batteries and cover onto the keypad. To program to an opener, first ensure the backlighting of the keypad is off. Then locate and press the program button on the opener. It should be a black square. When the LED flashes purple, enter the default code of 357 onto the keypad followed by the up-down button 3 or 4 times. To program a personal pin, first ensure the keypad's backlight is off again. Enter the default code of 357 followed by the program button once. Now, enter a code of your choice in between 3 to 8 digits followed by the program button. To add multiple openers to your keypad, begin by entering your personal pin and the program button twice once the backlighting is turned off. Press the number of openers you want to control followed by the program button. Here we will press 2 and then program. Now we will program the second opener to the keypad. Press the program button on the second opener. While the keypad backlighting is off, enter your pin and press the up-down button once. Press the desired number of the door, in this case the number 2 door, followed by the up-down key 3 to 4 times. How do you operate the second opener, you may ask? Simply enter your personal pin and the open button, then press the number of the opener you wish to operate, in this case, number 2.